Hi everyone, I'm Pengyu. I will demonstrate our tool, Roosterize, for suggesting lemma names for cock verification projects using deep learning. The README file in our repository contains the steps to install all the dependencies. The first step is to install OCaml, cock, and therapy with the OPAM package manager by using these commands. We have completed these commands offline, and we can check that by doing OPAM list. Cock and therapy are installed. The next step is to install PyTorch and Python libraries that use Roosterize used with the conda package manager using this command. Once complete, we use conda activate to enable that environment. I will be using this open source cock project FCSL-PCM to demonstrate Roosterize. I have downloaded a pre-trained model for Roosterize, which was trained on data extracted from masscomp cock projects who have some naming conventions. This project is using masscomp call library and is expected to conform to those naming conventions. Roosterize requires the project to be compiled. We can add the compilation command to .roosterize.rc to automate that. Then, we use this command to ask Roosterize to check the lemma names in a file, finmap.v. Roosterize will print a report to command line. It starts by saying that 8 out of 110 lemma names conform to masscomp conventions perfectly, and then making suggestions to the remaining lemma names. This command line interface is not very convenient to use by proof engineers. Thus, we also integrated Roosterize with Visual Studio Code, which is a popular editor that proof engineers use. To install that, simply search for Roosterize extension in VS Code extension marketplace, which we have already installed. I need to configure the path to Roosterize executable in settings. I'm opening the FCSL PCM project. And then open finmap.v. To use Roosterize, open the command palette by hit Ctrl-Shift-P, find the command called Roosterize suggest naming, and then click that. I will showcase some suggestions. Roosterize will highlight the lemma names that do not conform to conventions with underlines, and we can see a tooltip for suggested lemma name when hovering our mouse over it. In this example, Roosterize found that mapkc comp is a better name than mapcomp because it found that the actual function used in the lemma is mapk rather than map. This is another example where Roosterize found that ins_kfilter will be better than kfield_ins. To get more information, check out our GitHub repositories for Roosterize and the VS Code extension. Thank you for watching.